Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Well, after such a hot and dry couple of months, the rain was certainly welcome. We got some pretty good downpours, flooding back to the west of us. We'll get to that in just a bit. Tomorrow was still hatched in for the risk of excessive rainfall. That means enough rain that could cause some localized street flooding, but we're at a low end risk, the 5 to 10% range, level 1 out of 4. Looks like another inch or two possible in spots. Could see isolated higher amounts up towards central Louisiana, northern Louisiana, as our tropical disturbance rides a little bit further to the north. And as we take a look at the radar satellite composite, you can see some of the heavier rains today, almost a little twisting in the precipitation, but things are beginning to quiet down. But some very heavy rainfall, upper Texas coast from right around the Port Arthur area up through just south of Winnie and into southwest Louisiana. Mostly marsh here, thank goodness. 9 to 10 inches of rain, and then a 14+ inch hot spot just down south of Grand Chenier, and also some pretty heavy rains as we get up toward the Beauregard Parish area. You get into that darker shade of purple, you're getting close to 8 or 9 inches of rain. And the rest of us here in Acadiana not seeing a whole lot, mostly in the green, a couple of inches of rain, 1 to 2 most parts. Some areas not getting a whole lot, but tomorrow's another day and we will get some more precipitation. Still a flood watch in effect through this evening. I'm not sure if this is going to get extended through tomorrow, and as expected, we had the flood watch for the areas where the models were telling us the heaviest rainfall was going to occur, and that's what we had yesterday. When we have that model consistency, we knew we were going to see a 6 to 10 inch rainfall over southwest Louisiana. So here's what we got going on right now. Some of the heavier rains over toward Mississippi. Scattered heavier tropical showers and thunder showers, mainly down offshore, and you can see the rain has been slowly diminishing across the area, with most of the heavier shower activity down towards St. Mary Parish and mostly light to moderate rains, and they're winding down across here in Lafayette Parish. Farther south and east, though, we are picking up on some pretty healthy thunder shower activity around the Franklin area, down through near Patterson, just west of Morgan City. So this is going to be the wet spots with some locally heavy downpours continuing over the next few hours. Infrared satellite imagery showing a blow up of those showers and storms where we had the heavy rainfall earlier today and this morning, but things quieting down, and that is the good news. The rest of the tropics, well, we have a few 10%ers, one here, but these both are not going to do anything. So we'll go down to our friend down in the deep tropics in the extreme southwestern Caribbean. Finally, we have a tropical storm Bonnie. It's going to be moving inland overnight tonight and then moving out into the Pacific. When it gets into the Pacific, it gets a new name. That name will be Darby down the road, and that system could become a hurricane. Not expecting a hurricane, though, for Central America, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, where that's going to make landfall, but heavy rains down there. So as we take a look at our future cast here and looking at the HRRR model, more scattered tropical showers, and you can see St. Mary, the southeastern parishes may see the most, but we could see activity at any time during the nighttime. We'll maintain rain chances 40% after this early evening activity, and then going into tomorrow, another couple of rounds of locally heavy tropical showers and thunderstorms in the area. It quiets down tomorrow night, and then going into Sunday, it looks like we'll see fewer showers and thunder showers. So overall, the news is pretty good. Additional rainfall as we move forward. The hot spots up toward western Louisiana, southwest Louisiana, where you could see 3 to 5 inches in isolated areas. Most of us catching an inch or two of rain, maybe a little bit more than that, but the rainfall rates have been okay. The ground took the rain today. That's percolating on down, and the ground is ready for more precip, so we'll take it and run for sure. Mid-70s overnight tonight with the tropical showers slow to diminish. They will redevelop in spots overnight tonight. Temperatures hold in the 70s. Tomorrow, though, back into the mid-80s. We'll say scattered tropical showers and storms. Some locally heavy downpours possible, another inch or two. And the latest future cast here and our True View forecast indicating best rains in Lafayette. It looks like later in the afternoon, but improving as we head into the evening hours. Rain chances toning down a little bit for Sunday into Monday, but still the risk of scattered storms, but closer to what we expect in the summertime. And going into next week, the heat comes back on and rain chances stay with us. Very typical summer pattern, but more importantly, the tropics expected to stay quiet at least through the second week of July. That's it for weather for right now. We're going to have more coming up right after the break.